Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This video will show you how my friend April made her seafood boil. If you've seen my last king crab video, she made all of the food, and in this video I'll show you how she actually made all the food. As you know, seafood can be made in a variety of ways, so if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, we're at Sam's and we got the king crab, the lobster, and also tiger shrimp from Sam's. And so in this clip you'll see we're at Publix and we're going to actually get the snow crab legs from here, also the potatoes and the corn. In this clip you'll see us actually thawing out the food so that we can start to prepare to cook it. Like I said, we had potatoes, we had corn, and she's washing and cutting the potatoes in half so she can place them in a bowl and cook them separately, since they take a little bit longer to cook than the actual seafood. Here's all the seasoning she used for the seafood boil. You can basically find these in any Walmart or Publix or any grocery store actually. Okay, she's seasoning the potatoes and the corn to place them in the microwave and cook them until they're soft, or at least until they're softened, so they won't take as long when you put them in the oven. Okay, and now we're about to prepare the lobster. We actually cut our lobster and pull the lobster meat out, and then make sure that the lobster is cleaned. I know I've seen a lot of seafood boils where you can just drop the lobster right into the seafood water, but here we're just gonna open it, clean it, and then add some olive oil and butter. Okay, because everything is baked, she's creating a sauce at the bottom of the pan, so when she puts the seafood in there, the actual sauce and seasoning will seep into the seafood, as well as create a nice butter sauce at the bottom of the pan. And all of the seasonings I showed in the beginning is what she's actually layering the pan with. You can use whatever butter you like. It really doesn't matter. Whatever your preference is will still create a nice butter sauce at the bottom of your pan. Okay, now you'll see her just layering everything in the pan on top of the seasoning and the butter we placed in there earlier. You can't forget about the potatoes. So we softened the potatoes in the microwave and just added them to the pan. I'm seriously getting hungry just watching this video all over again. Yes, snow crab legs. Look at that pretty orange. Okay, so yeah, she's still just continuing to put all of the food, the corn, the potatoes, snow crab, the shrimp, king crab, everything is in the pan. Oh, that looks so good. Then she's layering the top with the same seasonings that she put at the bottom so that you can have seasoning at the top and the bottom and everything will taste so delicious. I seriously can eat seafood every day, and actually I'm going to do a series where I eat seafood for 7 days straight just to see if I can do it, because I've actually never done it, but I really do believe that I can. I'm getting so hungry. And there are no exact measurements. You can put as much as you want or as little as you want. It's really up to you. And the more you make it, the more you'll know what you like and what's too much and what's not enough. Okay, and now back to the lobster tails. She's just adding the olive oil and the butter and the seasonings on them so they can be nice, tender, and juicy. And lobster tails don't actually take long to cook. They can take anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes depending on the size of the lobster. And your oven is usually going to be on 350 to 400, but it just depends on your oven as well. Hopefully this video was of some help to someone in helping them prepare a seafood boil. If you guys have any questions, please leave me a comment. You know I try and answer all of the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I truly appreciate it. Bon appetit, baby. See y'all. Love you.